everyone, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Today I am going to show you a simple, easy DIY pumpkin. If you watched my previous Dollar Tree haul, I went to Dollar Tree and I purchased 2 beach balls. Now all I'm doing is taking some jute and going around and making like veins for the pumpkins, I guess that's what you'll call it. And you just place them evenly around the beach ball. I am using tape to tape it down right here. And I did not blow it up all the way because you want some type of like a push on it to form the pumpkin. Okay, y'all, as y'all seen in that previous clip in the time lapse, I tried to slow it down as much as possible. We just have a regular beach ball, and then I took this twine and, came down to make veins all around the pumpkin. I did not blow up the beach ball too much, and as you can see just right now, it's already looking like a pumpkin. So then I have some paper strips that I cut, doesn't, any size you want to use, and then I have my glue. So I am just going to put some glue on the ball. Just like that. And we are going to lay the strip, the paper strip down over the glue. Just like that. Alright, this is going to be tedious. I am going to speed it up, and then I'll be back when I get half done. Alright, hey y'all, this is the next day. I let it dry overnight in the garage, and it is almost stiff. You can still feel a little bounce in it, and I guess it depends on how many layers you use for covering up the beach ball. But as you can see, it is, really hard. It probably can last one more day to dry out, but I'm in a rush, so I think that this is perfectly fine. I'm going to let you know this is a very tedious project. It's going to take some time and some patience, so we're going to get started with the painting process, and I'm doing this one in the orange, and I just picked this up from the Dollar Tree. I don't know how bright it's going to be. I may have to use a different brand. So what I'm going to do is just paint this side right here on the camera, and you know, we are going to speed it up. So that's all I'm doing. This is really, oh yeah, this is a nice bright orange. So I'm just gonna get that painted. You know, you put them up and you'll have them every year when it's time for fall season to come around. Buying those commercial ones, yeah, they're nice and they're pretty, but they are expensive. So I said, well, I'm gonna see if I can make my own pumpkin, see how it'll come out. And it's not like, you know, I am selling these or anything. This is just for my house. So I have some imperfections on it, being that this is the first time that I've ever did one of these. And of course, you know, you're doing it for presentation. Now this orange is not dark because you can still see through the paper. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this as the base, and then I'm gonna let it dry again, and then I'm gonna come back with a heavier orange. All right, so we got that one done. I'm going to put you in time lapse and I'll be back. So here is the finished product of the beach ball pumpkins. And I didn't do a second coat because it kind of gives like a little vintage to me parts, having the newspaper show. But they have been outside on the porch now for about 2 weeks. They are still holding their shape, and I think they came out pretty good. It does give you the illusion that I have pumpkins on the front porch. So I hope you like this video. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn the bell on, and don't forget to leave me a lovely comment. Bye-bye.